I'm at the Oceanside Inn in Daytona Beach, Florida. This is the courtyard they have here. The whole building is undergoing renovations. So while the lobby isn't done, they do have a lovely little area here with picnic tables, planters, and sea turtles. This goes out and you can go right to the pool area, or you can go right onto the beach. So we've got a nice little pathway here. Not a crowded area because it's away from the pier area, so you don't have to worry about being crowded and having people right on top of you. Got a beautiful day here, some big waves. You can probably hear those crashing in. So got a nice good spot so you can enjoy. In the distance you can see that how far the pier is and Joe's Crack Shack. But again, not crowded. Beautiful day today. Certainly nice place to enjoy and relax. We're going to come over here and check out the swimming pool. So if you don't want to dip in the ocean, you can dip your toes in the pool. Got lots of these little sea turtles lining the pathway. Certainly going to be a beautiful place once they get everything done. There's renderings of what the new lobby is going to look like. So if you need those, just ask me. I can email those to you. And as we're coming down here, a lot of the buildings in this area are having renovations, so it's going to be nice once everything's done. So they've got your little kiddie pool here. Normal tables, chairs, handicap accessible pool, and a nice area so you can lounge and stay out of the sand, or go down on the beach and enjoy the sand if you want. So if you need more information and you're interested in any of the units, there's several available here. Call Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, at 386-243-2000.